Do you like rainbows?
Yes.
I like rainbows too. I think the colors are beautiful. Well, these are special diffraction glasses that make rainbows everywhere. Here, put them on. See what you can see.
I can see rainbows.
Is that cool?
Yes.
Are there more rainbows by the windows?
Yes.
That's because the glasses are bending light to make rainbows. Are those glasses pretty cool?
Yes.
They are pretty cool. Now, you might not have some special diffraction glasses at home, but we're going to tell you about 4 ways that you can make rainbows at your house. You can make rainbows outside if you find a sunny spot and turn your back to the sun. Spray some water from a hose in front of you and you can see a rainbow. Now this works best when the sun is low in the sky, first thing in the morning or in the evening. What a beautiful rainbow! Another way you can make a rainbow is if you put a glass of water in a sunny spot. The sunlight will pass through the water. It's split into so many different colors. Look on the floor. You'll see a rainbow. Now this way was the hardest for us. If you put a mirror in water, go into a dark room and shine a flashlight onto the mirror. The mirror has to be tilted, and make sure you shine the flashlight into the part of the mirror that's underwater. Look at a white wall or a white piece of paper behind the flashlight. You can see a rainbow. All white light is actually many colors mixed together. Water bends light, and each color bending a different amount, so the colors are separated. The last way to make a rainbow at your house is to use a flashlight and an old CD. Point the flashlight at the CD, then look at the wall behind the flashlight. Do you see the rainbow on the wall? Rainbows are beautiful. We had fun making rainbows, didn't we? I hope that you make some rainbows today too. And remember, every time that you see a rainbow, it's a special sign of a promise that God has made to you.